Welcome to an exploration of two titans in the music industry, Winky D and Jah Prayzah. These two artists, hailing from the vibrant country of Zimbabwe, have made significant strides in their careers, leaving indelible marks in the hearts of fans worldwide. Winky D, born Wallace Chirumiko, is a reggae dancehall artist who has earned the nickname the Bigman. His music resonates with a broad spectrum of listeners, particularly for its social commentary. Winky D uses his platform to address societal issues, often presented through the lens of the ghetto, a narrative that has endeared him to many. His music style, a unique blend of reggae and dancehall with a Zimbabwean twist, has solidified his position in the country's music scene and beyond. On the other hand, Jah Prayzah, whose real name is Mukudzeyi Mukombe, has a different approach to his music. Known for his contemporary Afro-Pop style, Jah Prayzah's music often incorporates traditional Zimbabwean instruments, giving his songs a unique sound that sets him apart. His lyrics, often poetic and profound, explore themes of love, resilience, and the human experience. Jah Prayzah's music has transcended borders, gaining him popularity not only in Zimbabwe, but also in other African countries and around the globe. In terms of popularity, both artists have a massive following, but their fan bases differ considerably. Winky D's appeal lies mainly within the younger generation, his music resonating with their experiences and aspirations. Jah Prayzah, on the other hand, appeals to a broader demographic, his music bridging the gap between the young and the old, the traditional and the modern. The impact of these two artists on the music industry is undeniable. Winky D, with his socially conscious lyrics and unique style, has brought visibility to the ghetto narrative, giving voice to a demographic often overlooked. Jah Prayzah, with his fusion of modern and traditional elements, has played a significant role in popularizing Zimbabwean music on the international stage. In comparing Winky D and Jah Prayzah, one cannot help but appreciate their unique contributions to the music industry. Winky D's music, deeply rooted in the realities of the ghetto, provides a platform for social commentary. Jah Prayzah's music, with its poetic lyrics and fusion of modern and traditional sounds, offers a refreshing take on Zimbabwean music, making it accessible to a global audience. In conclusion, whether you sway to the reggae dancehall beats of Winky D or lose yourself in the poetic rhythms of Jah Prayzah, one thing is clear. Both artists have carved out their own paths, shaping and influencing the Zimbabwean music industry in their own unique ways. Their music not only entertains, but also educates and inspires, making them true icons in the industry. Their stories serve as a testament to the power of music as a tool for change and a vehicle for cultural expression.